Hello everyone, this is Rahul from OPUS. Here we are going to solve this question, draw a steel glass with appropriate texture. So it's nothing but that you need to draw a steel glass with proper light and shade and how its surface reflects when it is subjected to illumination. So you will see a strong differentiation between light and dark places while drawing this kind of objects because their glossiness is quite evident. So that is something we need to draw here. All right, so let's start with filling the space. So the inside of it would be slightly darker, so we will give the fill accordingly. So suppose this portion will be slightly dark, and the outside will have a mid-tone. So suppose we have this shape, and we shall fill this up like this. Now after we have this entire thing, then first let's catch this out, this entire line, and then we can start creating light and shade here depending upon how much illumination it has at certain places. So we will start with the highlight. We'll start with the highlight, like the places where it shall be lighter and places which shall hold the dark. So you will see a strong contrast of light and shade in this kind of objects, and that is why this question is all about. And in the inside you will see it will be much more darker at some places. So suppose right around the corner curve, and there are certain, you will see lights like this. For the outside there will be certain gray areas like this, and to some places you can see there will be some thick lines which distinguishes its quality, surface quality. Alright, now after that we will just add the edges, because we see it in glossiness. So thus you see we have that steel texture, and the next thing that we are going to do is to add a little bit of shade on the ground, so that it feels like that it is grounded well. So thus you see our steel glass is ready, and this is how you bring out the texture of its surface quality. I hope this lesson helps you on understanding how to draw utensils like this. Keep practicing with other utensils. Thank you.